Okay, here we are in a browser view of Cucumbar, and it's empty. Now, we know that we have this calendar in Google that we want to import or sync. So to do that, we click on the overflow menu up here. We click on the calendar specific settings. So settings for this calendar called work. And we're presented with this window, and we click on this little button down here called Connect Calendar. We want to bring in the calendar called work. We'll click on that. And it syncs very quickly because it's a small calendar. And we click on the back button, and the 4 events that are in it are synced across to Cucumbar. This sync is a two-way sync. And so as an example, we can see that the hackathon is running to Saturday. That's not quite right. So if we click on this and we make this change, and it changes in Cucumbar, and we flick across to Google Calendar, you can see very quickly that it's changed there as well. And then if we make changes to the title and hackathon here on Google's side, and we go back to Cucumbar and we refresh the browser, those changes are here as well. Whether you make the changes in Google or you make the changes in Cucumbar, they sync either way. Very handy.